this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the crashing on the Dreadnought map for the Cruel difficulty Act 2 in Path of Exile 2. So why does this happen? This seems to happen because of companions. Any kind of companions, even aesthetic only companions, seem to crash in this instance. I do not know why. It does need to be patched. But if you remove the companions from this instance, you will no longer be crashing. So that is how you fix it. By the way, I recommend you try Exit Lag. This is amazing. Basically, it's free for the first week. It's basically a VPN that finds each server that is closest to where you are, and it automatically connects them. It lowers my ping from about 80 to about 7. Yes, 7. You can see Path of Exile right here. Let's find my connection. My connection right here. It's 4 right now. It's 4. It's amazing. I'll put a link under the video description below, but give it a try. Free for 7 days. Why not? Yeah, just give it a try. If this video helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a nice day.